Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. The ties between France and India have strengthened with a 25-year plan to deepen cooperation in defense, nuclear energy and space. Pierre Modi was invited to attend Bastille Day celebration in France in the year 2023, unveiling plans to acquire additional Scorpion-class submarines from French Naval Group and 26 Marine Rafale fighter jets by Dassault Aviation. India and France have firmed up a defense industrial partnership roadmap, which will provide for co-development and co-production of key military hardware and platforms and facilitate technology collaboration in a range of areas, which also includes space, land warfare, cyberspace, and artificial intelligence. The French President Emmanuel Macron landed in Jaipur on 25th January 2024, accompanied by a high-profile delegation that includes Airbus CEO, Safran CEO, and top executives from EDF and Dassault Aviation. One of the major outcomes of these discussions is the announcement of Tata Airbus deal to establish a final assembly line in the country. The final assembly line will produce the best-selling civil helicopter, which is H-125 of France, for India and export to some neighboring countries. The final assembly line will be the first instance of private sector setting up a helicopter manufacturing facility in India. In July 2023, India and France has also adopted Horizon 2047, which focuses on building sovereign defense capabilities together. India and France have decided to extend their groundbreaking defense cooperation in advanced aeronautical technologies by supporting joint development of a combat aircraft engine. In July 2023, the DRDO chief, Dr. Samir V. Kamath, has paid a special visit to Safran Engine Factory and R&D Center Paris on the sidelines of Paris Air Show. The engine proposal has been under discussion under the Defense Ministry and NSA-led strategic dialogue with France. A roadmap for this project was expected to be prepared between French company Safran and DRDO before the end of year 2023, regarding which we have not any update till now. France has offered a completely new engine, new materials, new architecture, stealth compliance, and full supply chain and ancillary manufacturing based in India. While the price of jet engine deal will be extremely competitive as per engine in US dollar terms, the total process from designing to certification to the manufacturing of engine will take at least 10 years from a date of signing off the deal. The offer also includes Safran setting up a center of excellence in gas turbine technology in India with a full design and metallurgical precision software tools. On 26 January 2024, when French President Emmanuel Macron was in India as a chief guest, a joint statement has been issued by India and France. The statement states that in the broader context of ambitious collaboration and as more detailed in the industrial roadmap, both the countries have welcomed the progress in establishment of the MRO for LEAP engines in India by Safran and the plans to add MRO for Rafale engines. Also, a comprehensive helicopter partnership with a joint venture for IMRH engine between HAL and Safran, and the Scorpion submarines construction in India, including the indigenization. They also welcomed the discussions between India's Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, and French Directorate General of Armament, that is DGA, and intend to conclude an arrangement memorandum of understanding in an early time frame. On 26 January 2024, India's ambassador to France, Javed Ashraf, has further elaborated on the ongoing engagement between India and France related to the engine development. He said, "This is a subject of ongoing discussions between DRDO's ADA, GTRE, and Safran. Now, the issue is really about arriving at a set of specifications that comply with our future fighter jets requirement." So, this always features in the conversation between the President and the Prime Minister, because what we are looking for is not just manufacturing transfer of technology, which will essentially keep you going with the same crutches that you have been going for last 6 decades, but to work in actual design phase, metallurgical aspects, etc. So Safran is fully willing to do it, with 100% of transfer of technology, 100% of transfer of technology in design, development, certification, production, and so on and so forth. But it is obviously a very complex subject and it has to fit into the overall future requirement. So the discussion will continue to take place, and that's also part of defense industry roadmap between the two countries. Clearly, the engagement between India and France is at very advanced stage. It's also a very much needed defense collaboration for India, as at present it solely relies on US for its engine fleet of LCA Mark 1 and upcoming fighter jets such as LCA Mark 2, AMC and TED-BF. However, it is important that India also focuses on finalization of the deal and get the work started, as the engine development will take more than 10 years. This was today's update. Please let us know your views on this in comment section. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind. We'll soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.